Hi, I'm Scott Hager, Campus President at 2421 West Peoria, the location of Carrington College's new Phoenix campus. Come on in and join me for a tour. We're in the lobby of our administrative office at our Carrington Phoenix campus. Here, potential students meet with the admissions advisor, financial services, and career services. All of our student support really originates right from here prior to going into the college. So we are in our Student Success Center and our student library. Here students come to study, they come to work in groups. We have a library of books that are available to the students. We also have a student pantry for students that may need some personal needs or some food items. That's all student funded. Just a place to hang out and do some studying. So we're standing in front of our why wall. Every student has a why. Why did they decide to go back to school? Why did they decide to pursue a new career? This is an area where students can memorialize that and write down, this is my why. I'm standing in our nursing classroom where students get hands-on application of equipment that they're going to use when they're out in the field working as nurses. As you can see here, we have a bay of beds that students get to work on every day as they're practicing the skills they learn in the lecture. Welcome to our dental assisting lab. Here, dental assisting students get to practice the skills that they're going to use out in the field. They practice on mannequins. They also practice on each other. 4 chairs that students get to work on. They practice things like x-rays, dental cleanings, dental fissures. It's a really great lab, great experience for students. All right, we're now in our medical assisting lecture and lab space. Here, our medical assisting students learn patient care, they learn how to take blood pressures, conduct CPR. All happens in this space. What's super nice is that it's the lecture space and the lab combined. So students can go directly from lecture and then apply the things that they learned in lecture in real application right here in the lab. All right, I'm standing outside of our respiratory therapy lab. Here, students learn the skills for becoming a respiratory therapist. I'm standing in our vet assisting classroom. Here, students learn vet assisting techniques such as animal restraint, teeth cleaning, many of the things that they're going to practice when they're out in the field working in a veterinary clinic. I'm standing in our pharmacy technology lab where students learn the skills they need to work in a pharmacy. The interesting thing about our lab here is that it is set up like a real pharmacy where students can fill prescriptions, do compounding, just as they would when they're out in the field. I'm standing outside of our surgical technology lab, right next to our student lounge, where students learn the skills that they will need to assist surgeons in surgeries. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Carrington College's new Phoenix location. I hope you'll join us and learn more about our programs. For more information, visit carrington.edu or just stop by the campus. We look forward to seeing you.